Hey, so I'm actually here in my woods, and I actually just made another trail. And I got to thinking that not only do I want to show y'all the trail I made, but I also want to show you a quick before. I don't have anybody back here to film me, so I'm going to do this the best I can in a point of view way. But I originally, actually, when I made this trail, was just one big loop. Since that time, we've enjoyed it very much, but since that time, we've even gotten into horses and things. So I'm trying to keep, I usually ride the horses one way and then another, but I really want to keep, I've decided to make more trails because I really want to try and keep their mind guessing. I don't want it to get predictable on which way I'm going to go and all them things, as if you have horses, you completely understand where I'm coming from. So this is what I've done here on this side. And I'm now going to take it across another trail. And I want to show you how I look for the path of least resistance. And I don't know what kind of equipment you have, but if I have a tractor with a grapple and a 6-foot rotary cutter, so it's most certainly a lot easier. So if you have these things to your disposal, you can see how to do it, or you can essentially even rent one in certain areas if you live close enough to a rental. I do understand, depending on what area of the country, this is going to be a lot easier here. We're in the Shenandoah Valley, so it's going to be the forest here, as you can see behind me, is not as thick as it can be in other southern states and other areas. So just anyway, I just want to show you this. I'm not gonna ramble on, so I just kind of want to show you this, and I hope it helps somebody. We'll see you later. Okay, so I've actually got another trail. You can't see it, but it's back in there. So what I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to actually, with my new trail, I'm coming from, where is it? There it is. From that direction, I want it to cross this trail, go that way, and then tie into my back trail, the furthest trail, my property line. So as you can see here, I can already see a way, and I just kind of get my grapple. I'm going to go through here. I'm going to go over that little stump. Should be able to cut that with my brush hog, and then curve that way and go around. And it's not that much further. So just kind of try and get obviously the smaller trees out as possible, and just let nature lead you. Initial rough draft. Hopefully you can still hear me with the draft item. That's the quote rough draft. I'm now going to have to put the phone up so I can use both hands to properly take a few more stuff out, but I can see enough the trail I just roughed in. So I hit a stump. I hit a stump over here, so I don't have to worry about hitting that with my rotary cutter, and I maintain the trails. So I just bypassed these 3 trees and came around that way. So that just kind of comes back to using the path of least resistance. So I'm going to get this finessed and cleaned up, and then I'll show you. Okay, so that wraps it up for me today. I'm pretty much done with this woods entirely as far as making new trails, because anything else would just be too much and unnecessary. So I can take my horses in a lot of different directions, back and forth, and just kind of keep them busy. And you can see behind me, it's looking great. This is one of the new ones, and then here's another one new as well. So it's something we can enjoy year round. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped, and feel free to use it for any ideas or inspiration. Thanks.